Hi and welcome to Virtual Co-working Space. My name is Michelle Dale, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add the co-working space into your dock on your Mac computer. So this is a super easy way to be able to kind of just attach it like a little icon and keep it in there so you can jump in and out when you want. So here's my co-working space. I've already set it up on my computer and I click this little icon here and it opens up. But you might want to know how to get one of those icons, and it's super easy and you can do this with any web page, in fact. So all you need to do is open up the co-working space. I am in the lobby right now, so I tend to kind of bookmark this is my space that I go to. And then you go in Safari, you should be open in Safari, and then you go to File, and then you go to Add to Dock in File. Now, if you click that, it will come up with a suggestion of what you would like to call it. So you might want to call it Virtual Co-working Space or VCS. So I'll just add Virtual Co-working Space here, and I'm going to click Add. Now, as you can see here, it's added the little icon to the dock at the bottom, and it says virtual co-working space there. So anytime you want to go into the virtual co-working space, all you need to do is click on that icon and you'll be directly there. So it's handy to have on your desktop at all times. Hope this helps.